With a height difference of only 15 centimeters, you need to get the ping pong ball into the glass standing on the other platform as far away as possible. However, there are serious limitations. You can only build supports on platforms. You can't use glue, tape, or welding. The time is 2 minutes maximum. The width is up to 1 metre. The structure must be demountable, but remain whole, and the worst, the maximum weight is 100 grams. In the middle of April, our group met for the first and last time. We discussed but did not come to any concrete conclusions. Then, the calm before the storm, we remembered only at the end of May that we had to do something. Jan has helped us by making an almost 3-metre long bridge out of cardboard, but the weight was very restrictive. It was decided to move on. The very inattentive author of this video, instead of 150 millimeters, saw 150 centimeters and made a descent from fishing line and paper, and sincerely did not understand what the co-participants are not satisfied. Fortunately, this idea was developed further, and we easily reached 4 meters from 15 centimeters height. Afterwards, there was no hope for a better result. The ball did not reach a couple of centimeters to the glass. After many hours, we found our record of 4.94 meters, and let the other group have 6 centimeters more. This is our personal victory.